Adapted vans provide a means for community mobility for individuals with various diagnoses such as cerebral palsy and spinal cord injuries. Today we are going to show you one way to operate an adapted van. This van has been adapted for an individual with spastic cerebral palsy. This model is a 2014 Toyota Sienna Vantage Mobility International VMI Northstar conversion. Please keep in mind that adaptations are based on user ability and preference. We will be showing you one van configuration, but a variety of adaptations are feasible. This particular van can be accessed with the use of a factory key fob, which has been fastened to the user's wheelchair with Velcro. There is a button that opens the right side door and deploys a ramp. There are two different ramp style options for vehicle entry, a fold down or in-floor. This is an in-floor ramp that telescopes out from underneath the floorboard of the van. Here the driver enters the vehicle by backing up the ramp in his wheelchair. Once the driver is inside the van, the next step is to buckle in. In this configuration, the driver can directly roll into place without having to unhook anything. This van is equipped with a Q-Strength QLK 150 docking station, which prevents a wheelchair from moving while the van is in motion. The docking station is mounted on the van floor and a bracket is attached to the bottom of the driver's wheelchair that locks into the docking station. This driver can unlock the dock station by pressing a panel that is located on the dash. An emergency release can also be installed that will mechanically press a release lever located on the dock. There is a hook in front of the docking station that prevents the driver's wheelchair from tipping back when accelerating from a stopped position. This driver opted to mount a simple post to the steering wheel to allow for one-handed driving. This post is appropriate for the hand grasp for this driver, so steering options should be selected based on user skills and needs. To operate this vehicle, the driver has hand controls that are mechanically connected to the brake and gas pedals. This system in particular is a push-rock control system. For this system, in order to activate the brake, the user pushes the stick. The user then rocks the stick in order to apply gas. To operate the exterior lights, a C-clamp was positioned on this knob to allow the driver access. Other adaptations can be made depending on the vehicle's setup model and driver preferences. In this vehicle, other dashboard controls such as temperature and audio controls are the same as standard vehicles. The driver can activate turn signals and the windshield wipers using the switch panel located on the driver's side window. With this current setup, these switches can be activated with head movements. This green switch activates the left turn signal, and the red switch activates the right turn signal. The lower blue switch turns on the windshield wiper. It is set up to allow for low and high speeds and to turn off the windshield wipers. The driver can also hold down the switch to release windshield wiper fluid. Once the driver has learned to operate these features and passed their driver's test, they are ready to drive. The van looks and maneuvers just like any other vehicle seen on the road. Adaptive vans give the driver freedom and autonomy to move throughout the community, to engage in social, work, and leisure activities on their own schedule.